Tiahupu, Tahiti. This island hotspot is known for its mammoth swells. The conditions are so difficult, jet skiers have to tow surfers out to sea. But Raymana von Bolster doesn't want to wait for his driver. So he asks fellow surfer Reef McIntosh to take him out.
He's like, okay, let's go. I'm like, what do you mean? I don't know how to drive, Raymana.
Reef reluctantly drives the jet ski.
Go out, I get him like 5 or 6 waves, towed him in. I'm like, wow, maybe I can do this.
The men go for another run, but fall victim to the surf's raw power. Reef is suddenly carried on top of the wave, with Raymana square in the jet ski's sights.
Like, okay, let me go, let me roll over the back, but I was like, it wasn't rolling over the back. And so I stayed on for like maybe half a second more, and I jumped off. And it's like, great, I'm just killed my good friend.
Incredibly, the 1,200-pound machine misses Raymana by mere inches.
If he didn't duck, he would have died. Probably broke a neck. Because that thing was just like a missile aiming straight for his head.
But now, Reef's the one in trouble. He's stranded in the water, trapped in the path of another surfer.
I just, crossed my fingers and swam as deep as I could.
Fortunately, both Reef and Raymana come through the incident unharmed, and a lot wiser about the perils of the sea.
Oh, I knew I shouldn't have been driving that jet ski because I had just zero experience out there. We were both extremely lucky.